these are my potatoes. Okay, and I'm gonna have these boiling, but for now I also have some eggs here that I'm boiling. Some I'm gonna use for the bacalao salad, and some I'm gonna use for the mashed potatoes. Yes, we do add eggs in our mashed potatoes. I have several videos of how I make my mashed potatoes in my food playlist, which is a lot. So check it out if you can. And that's that. I'm gonna take these eggs out and I'm gonna put the potatoes in there. Also, while the potatoes are boiling, I have here some carrots and I have here some peas, and that's what I decided to make because I really gotta go food shopping. I would have loved some like green beans or something like that, but this is what I have on hand. So I'm gonna let this come to a boil. I'm probably gonna take off some of the water and add just a little bit of honey to like make it a little sweet. I don't know, I'm thinking about something here, but I'll let you guys know. Okay, so as you can see, I got my potatoes here to make my mashed potatoes, my corn and carrots together. I will show you that dish later. Yes, I'm doing 2 dishes and I'm making corn muffin. I don't play. But anyway, I got my bacalao here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to dump it in there. Some people do, like how you call it, some people do rinse it out, you know, just all the salt. Me personally, this is the way my mom taught me, so I'm doing it her way. So yeah, I'm gonna let it boil one time for at least a good 10 minutes. Throw away that water, refill it up with cold water, boil it again. I'm gonna taste it, and if it's not salty, that I took out all the salt out, you know, I'll start doing my bacalao salad. For now, I'm gonna cut all the veggies and all that stuff next. Okay, so I have my potatoes here. Sorry, I have the water running. Instead, I got the eggs there, you know, cooling off. It's good to always run your boiled eggs in cold water for the shells to come a little easier, the egg shells. So I'm gonna leave this here for maybe another, like maybe 5 to 7 minutes, so it could be really, really soft and creamy. This is cooking right here. You know, the water is almost dissolving. I'm gonna probably add a little honey to that and a little bit of salt. And I have here some bacalao. I'll write the name in Spanish, I mean in English below. And I'm doing a recipe on this. So I'm doing 2 different dishes here. And I'm doing a recipe with this with plantain cups, like 2 different ways I'm gonna show you. So try to watch this video, okay? It'll be on my latest uploads. If not, just press the notification bell and you'll be able to see all of my latest videos when it pops up. So this is how it looks. I gotta boil it, you know, to take out all the salt. I'll show you it towards the ending of the video so you can see it, and if you like it, if you like what you see, you'll see the video on how to make this. This will be like a separate video on how to make this. I'm just showing you what I'm cooking today. So yeah. Okay, so the chicken is done, as you can see. Now you could eat it like this. Look at that beauty. Oh my god, I love when the chicken is nice and crispy like that. Oh. So does my kids. They love it. Alright. Now you could do it like this, right? And then put that nice little sauce that's in the bottom on top of the mashed potatoes, and you know, with the veggies and stuff like that. But I'm not going to do that. My kids want me to add a little barbecue, so I'm going to add a little barbecue, and I'm probably going to put this in the oven for like at least 5 to 7 minutes. So like I said, you could do it just like this, okay? Just like this if you want to just have it just like this, okay? And there's juice there, but what I did right now was I try to take out as much of the fat that comes out of the chicken, you know? So you want to do that with a spoon, and then just try to have it like just the broth of the chicken, if I make any sense, because I got a way of explaining food, but this is what it is. And I'm gonna put it back in the oven with the barbecue sauce, and then I'm gonna do my mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna put a little honey on my corn and carrots, and I also gotta do the corn muffin. So we'll be back. Okay, so I know it doesn't show, but I did put the barbecue in there. What I do is I squeeze out a little bit of barbecue into a big cup. I add some water and I try to elute it, you know, because they don't really like too much of the barbecue, but they want some of that taste in their chicken, if it makes sense. So that's what I do. And then I mix it up with a spoon and then I just drizzle it on top, okay? So that's what I did. It doesn't really show, but the barbecue sauce is in there. Trust me. All right, so like I said, I'm going to leave this there for 5 to 7 minutes and the chicken is done. All right, and I'm going to work on the mashed potatoes and the bacalao and everything else that I got to do. All right, and I'm going to show you everything. I got my eggs here. This is going to be for the bacalao. I'm only going to use 2 for the bacalao because the other 3 is for the mashed potatoes that I'm making that I showed you earlier. Like I said, I'm going to use 2 eggs, 3 for the mashed potatoes, 2 for the bacalao, and I just wanted to show it to you. So the chicken is almost done. I'm about to mash the potatoes, and I did the corn muffin right here, and I'm about to put it in this pan and put it in the oven. In the oven it goes, and this is the corn muffin. I'll show you how it looks next. Well, not next, I'll show you how it looks later on. I'm gonna mash the potatoes next. Okay, so the mashed potatoes is done. I added the eggs. I added 3 eggs. I will see if I can link my mashed potato recipe down below, if you know, if I can find it, because I got a lot of videos. So I'm gonna put this by the stove. It's already nice and warm. I got my peas and not my peas and carrots. I got my carrots and corn, and I did drizzle a little bit of honey, and I add just a pinch of salt for everything could just taste better, you know. So you want to do that and this, and I'm going to show you the chicken next. So the food is done. The corn muffin is still cooking, all right? It's still baking. Sorry, I said that word wrong. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna put aluminum foil on top. This is already, I turned off, just nice and warm. The mashed potatoes, I already showed it to you. I'm also gonna show you like my bacalao salad, and I'm also gonna show you, you know, how I did it, you know, the salad, and I'm also gonna show you the corn muffin. Okay, so but this is done. All right, and I'm gonna show you this plate. Not now. Let me show you the other things, but I'm gonna show you this plate and the other plate that I did. All of that work, yes, I did it today by myself in this kitchen. But we'll be back. Okay, so the corn muffin is done. Let me show you how it looks. And look at how nice and beautiful and glossy that is. I bought this at the Dollar Tree in case you guys are wondering. This is really for cupcakes, but I use it for corn muffin as well. So this is how it looks. So we got that out of the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to feed my kids their mashed potatoes and all that good stuff. And then I'm going to show you the bacalao salad and all that other stuff next. Okay, so the food is already done. I have mashed potatoes here, the corn and carrots, some nice glazy, beautiful, buttery corn muffin, and the chicken. Alright, I didn't put it in like on a fancy plate because I'm not going to eat none of this. These are for my kids, since I'm doing something separate. I'm doing a separate video on that, but I just wanted to show it to you. I'm still going to show you the other stuff that I'm making as well. So we'll be back. I'm going to test one of these out. Oh my goodness. I want a small one though. And this is the bacalao. I'm going to eat it with cilantro and all because I love cilantro. So let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god, I love food. I'm sorry. This is so good. I know I'm talking with my mouth open, but Jesus Christ. Please make this. It's like you get so much different flavors into just one little thing. I'm gonna guarantee you when you make it, you're gonna be like, oh my god, it would taste this so good. Thank you. Watch. I just wanted y'all to see how it was. I'm gonna take one more bite. You know I'm gonna eat this. That is so good. I'm gonna try to do one with shrimps next time, so be on the lookout for that video. And I'm gonna try to make different dishes like this, but with different things, okay? So share my videos with everyone. Take care. Bye.